Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today we're gonna play with our color pencils, and not just on a regular white sheet of paper. No, we're using black paper as a background, because that way you need to really think about the colors that you use. It is a little bit of a challenge because black doesn't take all colors, and so you need to think about whites and bright colors, and it'll be fun. And I am kind of a foodie obsessed artist, so I will do a few drawings of foodie related art. The best way to find out how to use your art materials is just to play and to try it out. So let me just draw something that is very recognizable, which is watermelon. And already I can see that this needs a little bit of a line, so I will add a white line to define the shape of the watermelon. And the pink and the green combination will do the rest. I love coffee, so I need to draw a coffee cup, of course. I'll use my white for the outline. That works pretty well. And I will draw kind of a messy latte art. It doesn't really work out the way I wanted to, but it's fine. It's brownish and it's white. It kind of looks like coffee. Now I think I need to spice up that cup. I could do a pattern. I'll just do stripes in a nice blue. I love the shape of a sandwich, so that's just why I'm drawing it, with a bite out of it. And you know what? Let's make it a peanut butter jelly sandwich. How about an ice cream? It's fairly simple to draw and very colorful. Another recognizable shape and also color is avocado, so I'll draw that. Kind of looks like a pear, but I don't care. It's fine. I'll just add greens, and yeah, to me that looks like an avocado, or half of it. Oh, and what about yellow and white for an egg? Of course, we need something to drink, a glass of water maybe, or no, let's draw milk because the white works so well on black. And then now I just want to top it all off with a big juicy burger. How about that? Add some tomatoes, some lettuce, and I'm really just making this up as I go. And I hope you will do so too. I hope this inspires you to fill a page with some foodie art or maybe something completely different. You could, think of a collection you can draw. So get out that black paper and your colorful colored pencils and go and have some fun. And if you want more fun, more techniques, more skills, more community, more anything really that is creative related, head on over to sketchbookschool.com. You can sign up for a free class if you want to. And I hope to see you in class. And also, I'll see you next week.